Alchemist Radio.
All right, let's go. I have 10 Fair dropped NFTs waiting to be minted, and the countdown clock says we have 2 days and 13 hours left to mint. You can see in nerd mode the current price, and it will continue to fall until someone mints. Let's do that. But we'll need to create a separate new wallet to mint. So let's go to our Braves MetaMask wallet extension, and let's create another wallet by clicking on our wallet icon circle here, which will reveal the create account link in a drop down menu. For this, I'm going to name it Mint Wallet, but now we need some fake heat. You could just go back to the Goerli faucet and get some more, but I'm going to go back to my creator wallet by clicking again on our account icon circle. I'm switching over to my creator wallet and then click send to send some Goerli ETH to my Mint wallet. Click transfer my accounts. Select your Mint wallet. Send some ETH, but leave enough for fees. Confirm this transaction. Success. Now let's go back to Fjord and connect our Mint wallet, and let's mint. Let's confirm this transaction. Wait for it to process. Often I like to click this view on Etherscan link to look for the green success checkmark to make sure my transaction did go through. So all looks good. Let's go back to Fjord and refresh our browser. Boom! Here is our first NFT showing up under Mint Pulse. Now let's go to Opensea's Goerli's Testnet. The link is below. You'll have to connect your Mint wallet. Mine is already connected. And let's search for our NFT by typing in our collection name, Alchemist Radio Fair Drop. Here it is minted and showing up in Opensea. If it doesn't show up for you, you'll have to click on the image and then click the 3 dots here to reveal the refresh link. Depending on how busy the network is, this could take a few minutes. Here's our name description and traits from our JSON file. Now let's take a look at our NFT landing page. At this point, we can make this page look more official by adding a banner and a main image to our NFT landing page, but we'll have to switch to our creator wallet to do that. So if I click on my account here in OpenSea, check this out. What you are seeing is my overall creator wallet account page. I previously connected my wallet and placed this banner and logo art. You should know that our NFT landing page will fall under created here. Just remember, your wallet page and your live mint page are completely different, two separate areas. So let's click on this created link, and here is our Fair Drop landing page. If you click on the 3 dots here, you can add a featured image, a description, collection banner, your logo, and more. Don't forget to click submit to save your changes. So let's go back to Fjord, and now that we've minted an NFT, let's see the OpenSea logo pop up here. It'll take us to our NFT landing page, and the rest of our NFTs are just waiting to be minted. Cool, let's mint more NFTs. I've created a third wallet named Mint Wallet 2. I've sent some fake ETH to it. I'm going to connect this wallet to Fjord and mint another one. Boom! This Mint Pulse shows us that another NFT has minted, and I scored this one at a lower price too. Now let's go back to OpenSea and refresh our browser, and there is our second NFT. So let's pretend that we have some community members eager to mint immediately at this point, and let's mint another 3. What would happen? Check it out. Boom! Mint Pulse has detected more mints in this short time span represented by this tall bar. But if you switch to nerd mode, our actions made the price go up even higher than our original asking high price that we set earlier. This is the magic of LPPs. Our drops price action is live and responsive to demand. And from here, the price will fall back down again. So you can imagine how exciting this will be if we had hundreds of NFTs available to a large community. So going back to Opensea, we'll need to refresh our landing page, and here's our 5 NFTs that have minted so far. If we go to Goerli's Testnet page, we can design a page and do the same thing that we did in Opensea. At the time of this recording, I hope to upload more art so you guys can mint one of these gifts to your Mint wallet. Next, let's close our Fair Launch and collect our rewards. And that's coming up in our next tutorial.